Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak in the first international conference on smart mechatronics. I am Ahmad Fahru Razi from UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. On this occasion, I will present the result of our research. The title is a novel 3-axis flexible tube sensor with LSTM-based force prediction for alignment of electric vehicle charging station. This research is collaboration between the Research Center of Smart Mechatronics BRIN, University Technology Malaysia, and UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. There are several key points I will cover on this presentation, including a background, research contribution, flexible tube sensor design, LSTM model, FEM analysis result, LSTM performance, and the seventh is conclusion and future research. As we can see, there are four main points that lead to this research. My point is the adoption of conventional EV has accelerated, prompting a significant expansions in charging station infrastructure. The second is advancement in automated charging station technology that employ robotic manipulator and are increasingly being developed. The C point is force measurement play critical role in the precise alignment of charging port in EV application. And the last is most force sensor, particularly those designed for end effectors, are predominantly rigid in structure. So the solution we propose is a novel 3-axis flexible tube sensor with LSTM-based force prediction for alignment of electrical vehicle charging port. The research has made four key contributions. The first is the sensor is designed and fabrication using 3D printing technology with TPO material, offering exceptional flexibility and resilient to mechanical stress. The second is sensor performance is validated through finite element method analysis. The third is Hall effect sensor are employed to accurately measure 3-axis force applied to the charging port, enabling precise force measurement in the X, Y, and the Z axis. And the last is an LSTM-based machine learning model is used to predict force from the sensor data. As you can see, the flexible tube sensor design is the tube is hollow cylinder made of the thermoplastic polyurethane or TPU and has key geometric parameters such as outer radius, inner radius, and wall thickness. And it uses a Hall effect sensor with a cylindrical magnet 5 mm from the Hall effect sensor. The sensor works by changing the magnetic field generated when deflection occurs in the flexible sensor body, altering the distance between the magnet and the sensors. The LSTM model is employed to map the relationship between the magnetic field and force, enabling force prediction on the X, Y, and Z axis. For the LSTM model, the diagram in the right show the process involved in the force prediction using LSTM network. It starts with data collection, pre-processing, data splitting, LSTM model training, force prediction, and model evaluation. The magnetic field data are collected using Hall effect sensor in a flexible TPU module. Data are pre-processed through normalization, outlier removal, and sequential formatting. The dataset is randomly split into training and validation set with 80-20 ratio. Model performance is evaluated using validation data with the metrics like MSA and R score. And the model predicts force component in the 3-axis from magnetic field data, and prediction are validated. This table in the left side represent the data set utils in the study, comprising 6 columns containing the input data for the model as well as the target output data generated by the model. Uh, as seen in the graph at the As seen in the graph, the three-axis flexible tube sensor deflection was analyzed using FEM under various load. The sensor improves flexibility and precision for multi-axis for measurement in EV charging application. The graph show stress versus force and displacement versus force. Based on this, it can be seen the sensor has maintained predictable elastic behavior and structural integrity within the tested range. As mentioned earlier, mean square error and R-score are used to evaluate model performance. The training result can be seen the top graph, which show the loss graph. The loss graph indicates a consistent decrease in the both training and validation loss, stabilizing around 60 epochs. This show that the model has effectively identified patterns without overfitting, as the training and validation loss show the minimal difference. Training was held at 146 epochs due to early stopping triggered by no improving in validation loss or for 10 consecutive epochs. There is three graph below show the force prediction versus actual force for the X, Y, and Z axis. The FX axis is actual force range from minus 10 to 10 Newton, which like deviation in predicted value. The FY axis actual force fluctuates between minus 20 Newton and 15 Newton, with predicted values smoothing out our severe variation. The FZ axis is actual force between varies between minus 30 Newton and 40 Newton, with predicted values tracking in the trend but missing the peak variation. The MSA and the R-score values obtaining during the training reflect the model performance in predicting force. Overall, the model is effectively with R-score exceeding 0.98 and the low MSA value, indicating no overfitting. The higher MSA for the FZ axis may due to greater variation or a wider range of force data compared to the x-axis and y-axis. So the conclusion is this research introduced flexible tube sensor for multi-axis force prediction, combining a Hall effect sensor with an LSTM network. The model showed a strong performance with high R-score values and the low MSA across the FX, FY, and FZ axis. Despite some higher variation in the FZ axis, FEM analysis confirmed that the TPU-based sensor can withstand force up to 30 Newton without exceeding its elastic limit. The sensor improves force measurement accuracy, reduce misalignment risk, and enhance system reliability, particularly in EV charging port. So the study paves the way for further development in optimizing hybrid model to improve force prediction. Future research could explore application of the sensor in other real-time system that demand high accuracy and robustness dynamic environment.